It's starting to hurt my feet.
I love seeing you walk in that.
Alright, I'm ready.
What are we doing?
You look like a freaking fool.
Yeah, you won't say that when I get in the water.
Huh?
You won't see that when I get in the water. Actually, I have to adjust these. You're not gonna put it on?
I am. You have to zip me up though, I think.
Okay, I'm gonna keep this level.
John's chest is too small.
It's so skinny, like it's so skinny. Hold on, it's flipped around the wrong way. Hold on, I got. There we go. Oh, feel that shit? Hold on, let me walk out there. I don't get it. Oh, here we go.
Don't zip like my back or something. I have short arms, so. Roll this. Oh! My nuts. My junk.
Nice.
Make sure it's watertight.
It's fucking watertight, right? It's extremely tight. Watch out. What do you want me to do with this fucking thing?
I don't know, just leave it there. I feel so gay.
I look so much cooler than you.
Huh?
I gotta take this t-shirt off, I think.